Hey, it's Forrest. So, one of the things we do with Mighty Mules, we end up picking these cars up at Copart, the one behind me here, and we take them out to the port here in Jacksonville. And I can tell you, we pick up a lot of these. There's a lot of these that go down there. When you go down there, there's thousands of cars that are wrecked like this one, and they're all going overseas, and they dismantle them. And who knows what happens to them over there. But somebody told me that they actually fix stuff like this and sell it overseas in North Africa and over there in places like the Sudan and things like that. And that's kind of funny too, because, right, I mean, if this vehicle was here and somebody had fixed it, as you can look at the front of it behind me here, if somebody had fixed this and put it back out for sale, a lot of people would say, oh, I don't want that, it's been wrecked. But over there, they'll buy it in a second because they know that it's a Toyota, it runs good. It actually runs really well. And so they'll buy it and keep on going.